The ERC GmbH is a family-owned company. We are based in Buchholz, which is close to Hamburg. Our production is based in Wahlstedt, and the company is established in 1993. And since that, we are in the additive industry. We do a lot of research and a lot of development. Our main focus is to produce, to develop new products for the needs of the market. We produce products for LPG, we produce products for the industrial area, for diesel, for petrol. So our main focus is the European market, but we also deliver our products to Asia, Africa. We invest a lot of manpower and of course also a lot of money to produce always the best products for the LPG market. We have the Gasloop Premium, we have the Gasloop Special, which has more protection for the inlet valves, and also our newest product is LPG Gasloop for direct injectors. And this product is, I think, is the future because all of the cars are meanwhile direct injectors, and that's the philosophy of our company, to invest to the future of the markets.